Today I am going to start chapter 3 of Total Geography Standard 10. The topic is scales and direction. These two are other important elements of geography. Scales. What is scale? The definition is given over here. You see, the scale is defined as the ratio between the distance of any 2 points on the map and the actual distance of the same point on the ground. It is expressed as scale equals to map distance between 2 points and ground distance between the same points. There are 3 types of scales. Number 1, the statement. Number 2, the linear or graphic scale. And number 3, representative fraction. What is statement scale? Statement scale, its other name is verbal scale. For example, like 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. It is expressed in words. You may find this in your topo sheet. It is printed like 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer or 2 centimeters equals to 1 kilometer likewise. Second is linear or graphical scale. This scale is also printed below the topo sheet. Like here you see figure 3.1. A scale will be there, certain divisions, primary divisions, secondary divisions. This is called primary division and this is called secondary divisions. Straight by measuring 2 points on the map, we can place it here and know the direction, distance. Third is representative fraction. It is expressed in ratio. That is the distance on the map by the distance on the ground. And at the top, numerator indicates the map distance and denominator represents the ground distance. Units are not mentioned over there. It is simply written as RF 1:5 lakh or 1:50,000, etc. This is the best scale amongst all the 3 because here the units are not written, so we can convert the units according to our convenience, whether in centimeters and kilometers or inches and miles. So these are the 3 types of scales. Again I am repeating. First is the statement, second is linear or graphical, and third is representative fraction. Now next you come to the measurement of distances on a map. There are 3 methods which are mentioned. First is by using a thread. Second is by using opsometer. And third is by using 2 pointers or a divider, which is not given here in your book. In thread, 20 centimeters twine is used, which is placed on 2 points. It is measured, and then afterwards that distance is placed on the scale and measured again. Second is opsometer. This is an instrument which is given in figure 3.4. You see, there is a wheel. It is moved on the surface on the map, and then whatever the number of rotation comes from one point to the other, which is marked, it is graduated, indicated with the help of a needle. This we do not use. Third is, as I said, 2 pointers or divider. This is the best method. There is no error in this. When we measure 2 points on a map, so straight with the help of divider, we put the points and then place it on the scale. In the divider we will have to take half centimeter because there are curves, so curves may create error. As a result, in place of 1 centimeter we use half centimeter and then place it on the surface on the map and measure it. Suppose you have to measure a distance from this point to this point. This is the cart track. So how many halves are coming? Like 1 half, 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5 half, 6 half, 7 half, 8 halves, 9 half, 10 halves, 11 halves. 11 halves are there. 11 halves is how many centimeter will come? 11 divided by 2. That is 5.2. So in this that will become the map distance. So these are the 3 methods of measuring distances. First, what I said, that is by using thread. Second is opisthometer, and third one is 2 pointers or a divider. Now the third element is direction. There are 4 cardinal directions which are given. The arrowhead in the map indicates north, its opposite will be south, left hand side will be west, and right hand side east. These are the 4 cardinal directions. Then they are further subdivided into 4, like this: northeast, southwest. Here if you divide like this, become northwest, southeast. So these are the 8 cardinal directions. Suppose you have to measure A from C. What is the direction of A from C? From C means here you will have to place the mark like this direction. This is north, this is south, west, east. Here also you will have to place arrow like this, and then from here we used to join with the help of a scale. So this direction will be southwest. So we can say A lies southwest of C, or C lies northeast of C. Is it clear? So in this way we find the direction. Now, method of measuring distances. Measuring distances, as I said, one is by using that 2 pointer. Suppose you have to measure air distance. In case of air distance, it is very easy. Simply you will have to place, suppose you have to find the air distance of this place from this point. So straight with the help of scale we have to measure these 2 distance. If suppose the distance, map distance, you are getting 6 centimeter, so according to scale we can convert it like in the verbal scale, if it is given like 2 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer, so 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 2, so 6 centimeter is equals to 6, cancel it, that is 3 kilometer. This is the ground distance, and this is called air distance or crow fly distance. Here there is no chance of any error because straight we are measuring with the help of scale. But in this case the error may come because there are curves. So in order to remove the errors that arise from the curves, I told you, in divider you will have to use half centimeter and measure how many halves it is coming from one point to another, and then afterwards you convert it. Then the last point is area of a map. Area which is given here, it is not needed. Area you just find it this way. Here you see the topo sheet. Suppose you have to find the area between the eastings 96, 98, 96, 98 and northings 74, 76, 74, 76. In this case, what you do? 98 minus 2, 98 minus 96. Look, 2 boxes will come. 76, 74. Subtract it, 2 boxes will come. 2 boxes means 2 kilometer. Each box is 1 kilometer. So area will become 2 into 2, that is 4 kilometer square. Is it clear? First of all, you just have to get the difference between the eastings and then the difference between the northings. And remember, each box is 1 kilometer. Suppose you have to find the area of the entire map. So here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 kilometers. And northward you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 kilometers. So 10 into 10, 100 kilometers square. So total area will become 100 kilometer square. In such topo sheets, when the area is of 100 kilometers square, the round figure, in that topo sheet, this type of indices like QC, UD are printed. That is quarterly calculated or quarterly demonstrated area. Is it clear? So this is the way how to find the area. I hope you understood. So what are the things that we have seen today? Scales, that is different types of scales. Second, method of measuring distance. 3 methods are there: thread method, optiometer, the instrument, and third is divider. Third point, the direction. Fourth, area. And area, as I told you, by the eastings or northings. You'll have to get the difference between the eastings and the northings, and then you have to get it. It's very easy. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you.